How to stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. So if you want to stop syncing your profile picture from your Instagram to your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and here you can simply go for settings and privacy, and then go for settings, and under your settings you will have account center. Tap on account center, and then here you will have profiles. Tap on profiles, and under your profile you can choose your Facebook profile, and then go for the profile picture option. And once you've choose profile picture, you may have an option to turn off the sync. So if you want to stop syncing your profile picture from your Instagram to your Facebook, then simply toggle off that button and your sync will be stopped. So that's how you can stop syncing your profile picture from your Instagram to your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.